So, you want to build your own combat robot. That's very good. Follow these simple instructions and you'll be ready in no time at all. First, download instructions from where'smycombatrobot.net. Take a trip to your local hardware store to buy the hardware you need to build the thing you're talking about. Once you have all your parts assembled, then the tightening begins. Everything must be tightened. Tighten everything very, very well. Otherwise your combat robot will fall apart. Put that part of the robot on. It might be difficult, but you can do it. Then use pipes to fill your robot up with squishing liquid. Quantum uses Sprite. 8 liters of Sprite is inside. Make sure your robot's in tune and ready for its first performance.
Ready?
La 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 la, a perfect B. Wonderful. You've hit it with a hammer and you've filled it with Sprite. You're nearly on your way. Don't forget to put wheels on it. A quick lick of paint. And there it is. The dog on the front of your robot.
Hello?
That is a requirement these days. Behind the scenes, Quantum's quite nervous. She's had a little accident, but this chap's clearing it up for her. We all have accidents from time to time. Take your robot for a quick photograph to remember what it used to look like before it got smashed up. Now you've finished building, remember to take some time off and take in the sights and sounds of Las Vegas. Gamble your life savings away.
I'm blown away.
Here we can see the boys adding Sprite to the robot. Then tighten it up, fill it with more Sprite, and take it for a test drive. Drive it around. Make sure you don't crash it. It's expensive. This one seems to be going rather wobbly. He's trying to drive it in a straight line. It's quite wobbly. Stop that child filming that robot. Slap on a bit of armor to stop some of the lighter hits that you'll incur. And away you go. You're ready for your first fight. Don't forget to take the instructions with you, because you will need them